Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Skullcandy Push Ultra with your MacBook. You have to start by click on the Bluetooth icon. Now go to settings. After that, remove the headphones from the charging case and press and hold on one of the main button for at least 3 seconds, until you can hear that the LED light it start flashing. Here we go. Now we see our headphones, so click on it and click connect. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.